Hey guys, it's Hannah here at ColDesi, and I'm going to show you the easiest and the fastest way to print with DTG. Now you should always pre-press your shirts before DTG printing, but we've already done that, so we're going to just go ahead and lay our white t-shirt right on our vacuum platen here. Then we're going to head over to our control panel. Our graphic is already loaded into our machine, and all we have to do is press print. Now print time for this was just under 1 minute and 15 seconds, and now we're just going to go ahead and press it for 45 seconds. So now in just a couple minutes, we fully customized this white t-shirt with DTG Printing. Now another super easy way to DTG print is with the District Perfect Try DTG t-shirts. Now these are already pre-treated, so you're just going to give it a quick pre-press like you would normally do, lay it on your vacuum platen just like our white t-shirt. And again, our graphic is already loaded into our machine, so we're ready to just press print. Now this shirt is done printing and I can just give it a quick press. So as you can see, by printing on a white and an already pre-treated tee, we were able to knock out the pre-treating step, saving us time and money. So to learn more about the DTG G4, visit ColDesi.com.